To our education supervisor in mathematics, Mr. Cipriano Balili. To our district supervisor, Mr. Ray Lanete. To our school principal, Mrs. Nympha P. Balili. To our assistant to the principal, Mrs. Anisita N. Ponce. Our beloved teachers, honored parents, my dear classmates, schoolmates, and friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. This evening ends our hectic school days here in Don Vicente Rama Memorial National High School, where school was a second home to us and teachers were our second parents. This day also marks the end of all the hassles that we have to go through in the library as we wrestled with homeworks and reports and crammed for examination. For today is at long last our graduation day. Many of us will go on to tertiary level, for the Cebu City government will support us by giving 10,000 pesos to finance our schooling. Others will go to work, and still others will stay home and do household chores. We are finished with the secondary school, and this evening marks its finality. We confess that these past few weeks have been difficult for us graduating students due to the examinations and projects that has to be done. But we are much excited and patiently waiting for this day to come. But now that graduation is at hand, we're so sad to leave our alma mater and its good memories. Within its gates and walls, we socialize. We sometimes disagree at things. We cry, especially when we get low grades. We dream for our future, and yes, we study hard to reach our goals in life. It's not only the school we're leaving, but our mentors as well. We will miss our teachers who have given us something irreplaceable. You have given us yourselves. Thank you for the knowledge that you have shared to us, especially to my dear advisor, Mrs. Evelyn Go. Mom, thank you so much for the words of wisdom and pieces of advice that you have imparted to us. You all help us to become a better person, a person with virtue. And because of that, we will never forget you. In behalf of Class 2010, I would like to thank for our parents, especially to my mama and papa. Ma, Pa, even if you cannot hear me, but let me express my feelings by saying, I'm proud of you. Despite of your disabilities, you were able to raise me normally, just like other parents do to their children. You have given me affection and love. And I'm confident that if I fall and make mistakes, you are there to guide me and lead me back to the path of success. And I would like to thank to all of my friends. Thank you for the good memories and for accepting me for who I am. And I would like to thank for the Cebu City government for offering the Night High School to us, the working students, in order for us to continue our studies in the secondary level. Above all, I would like to thank God for these chances in our lives. Without Him, these things are impossible. Beloved teachers and dear parents, in behalf of Class 2010, I say thank you so much and may God bless us always.
Thank you very much, Eden, for your very heartwarming message. Now let's hear from the class valedictorian of today's session, Mr. Dicon S. Butig, as he conveys his valedictory address to